Inventors and entrepreneurs, this is Bold Patents, Ann Arbor, Michigan. We are here ready to help you, inventors, entrepreneurs, with your patents, trademarks, and intellectual property needs throughout this wonderful city. There's a ton of innovation here in Ann Arbor. Of course, the University of Michigan, lots of cool resources for you to get help, because I know inventors, individuals, even small businesses need a leg up, need a way in to access other information, vital resources here in Ann Arbor. So I put together a curated list of 5 of the top inventor resources for you. So the first one is my favorite. It's a nonprofit. This is called Ann Arbor Spark, S-P-A-R-K, all in caps. Check them out. It's a nonprofit. They're set up for accelerating startups, getting them to help get them funding, resources they need for marketing, business acumen, getting that incredible resource of employees and the new contractors and setting up businesses. Ann Arbor Spark is by far away the best resource for you to go to if you're looking for a way to get started here in Ann Arbor. A great company that just launched out of Spark is Duo Security. Duo Security is a cybersecurity company specializing in 2-factor authentication. We started as in tech brewery, which we're going to talk about later. So check them out, Ann Arbor Spark. Wonderful way to go. Number 2 is called the Decide Accelerator. So this is a 7-month-long accelerator. You've got to apply for it, make sure that you're ready for it. Not every startup will get in, but if you do, it's a wonderful way for you to get access to that big money for high growth companies in technology, including, of course, cyber, machine learning, AI, you name it, with regard to new innovations that are happening out there. So it's part of the entrepreneurial ecosystem, which is rich with experts, mentors, advisors that can help move your company to the next level. And one of the most popular, famous companies that came out of Decide Accelerator is MySwim Pro. MySwim was named as the Apple Watch App of the Year. It's a great app, one for those that are swimmers to be able to track and modify their workouts, their training programs underwater. Of course, number 3 here, University of Michigan's Innovation Partnership Accelerator. This is an incubator, provides resources for qualified University of Michigan startups. So you do have to have some affiliation, whether you're a student, professor, or adjunct at the university, but that is a huge place. Once you get in, it's a world-class lab, University of Michigan North Campus Research Complex. Tenants are provided with concierge service, networking opportunities to accelerate their ventures. A good example of a company that just launched out of this Innovation Startup Incubator is the MemoryX. MemoryX is an AI chip startup. They're offering server-like performance on these chips with accuracy at low power and low cost. They're well positioned for the new edge AI type applications, including autonomous driving and robotics. Number 4 is MIHQ. This is the biggest community in Michigan, almost 300 square feet of co-working space. Lots of opportunities for other entrepreneurs to work with each other. And this is a great place for you to go, try to get access to, because that's how you're going to be able to level up your game. It can feel lonely. And if your company is operating in a silo without interacting with other companies, you're not going to understand or foresee what's coming next. The cool about an incubator, or where you've got multiple communities there together, is you can mentor each other. You can say, hey, look, I'm trying to get here. It looks like you're already at that point. What did you get through? What did you have to accomplish? What hurdles did you clear to get to this point, whether it's financial or if it's a place to get funding to? Number 5 is Tech Brewery. I talked about this before. This is another co-working space, and it's instrumental for getting startups launched here in Ann Arbor. Provides collaborative environment for tech entrepreneurs. Duo Security launched from Tech Brewery, another good company that came out of this. And as I mentioned before, they ended up going through Ann Arbor Spark as well later. So with those 5 resources in hand, I encourage you to go reach out, try to contact just one, get a foot in the door here in Ann Arbor, talk with those in the community, and get plugged in. Bold Patent stands ready to help you as soon as you're ready to lock in a trademark or a patent. If you've got an invention that you want to move forward with, have some research done, conduct a patent search, application, get patent pending. I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.